Bitcoin is about to make a low, after which I believe there is a very high probability we started to make the up move. Come back here, drop again, and then go back up. Good afternoon, traders. My name is Anil Mangal. We're running a 2 weeks free webinar going on right now, live trading room sessions that a lot of traders are coming in, and a lot of crypto traders are already there. And because we don't focus a lot on cryptos in these sessions, there has been a very great demand for me to do a crypto one where we'll be only focused on cryptos. All the crypto pairs, long-term, short-term, next possible move, and the 1 hour possible move for the bigger directions. So we did a poll in the room today, and everybody agreed that the best time to do it would be tomorrow, 9 a.m. That is tomorrow, Saturday, the 17th of December, 9 a.m. London time. The link for that would be in the description below. In this video, in the description below, please take the link, share it to all the crypto enthusiasts you know, everyone. The method we use is called wave analysis. It's a method that I create. It's a forecasting method. It's pretty accurate, about 80 to 90% accuracy in it. You can see that we forecast all the moves in this one. And actually, this move up we saw, and we also forecast the possibility of it coming down. So the traders who joined me since Monday, last Monday, we were telling them, be careful. This is a channel that is going to break to the downside. It is already breaking out to the downside. So it might make a new low, but once we make that new low, what is likely going to happen since Bitcoin is so low is that from that point, it could literally reverse for the up move, or it will make another big correction and then drop, right? A bigger correction, something like this. The probability for it to go up is pretty high. I would say about 80% of the chance that they can be starting that next move to the upside. You don't want to miss that move on any of the crypto pairs you trade. It doesn't matter which one you choose. We have a wide variety of them here. And if you join us tomorrow, we can look at more of them. We'll be there for like an hour and a half, and we'll have quite a lot of pairs. We look at all time frames. Whatever time frames you want, we'll look at these trades from the 60 minutes, from the monthly way down to the 60 minutes. What's the next possible trade and what's the bigger direction? Now, the method is called wave analysis again, which means it's a method I created and it's working really good. Now, you don't have to believe in wave analysis. You don't have to even be a wave trader. Just join us. Come with your views. Come with your biases that you have. Bring what method you're using, and let's put it together and see where we think this thing is going to go. Right? It's pretty simple. We're open for discussion. So if you're willing to discuss ideas and how you think it's going to work and what we should look for, why we think the crypto should make a low and go back up, I'm willing to show you why I think it's going to do that. And we can show you past forecasts that we did and how accurate it is. So I'm looking forward to see all of you. I'm looking forward to you actually, if you saw this video before anybody else, take the link and share it in groups that you are, that where traders are trading cryptos. And like I said, they don't have to be wave analysis trader. They don't even have to believe that this works. But they can join us, have an open mind, join us, look at the way we look at the charts, understand what wave analysis is, how it works, how you can use that to your advantage in your trading, and how it actually does forecasting so accurate. How do we know with such high accuracy that this is going to drop? Because we've seen all of these consolidations, and we know what they're going to do. You look at the consolidations, you look for the next impulse. It's a method that tells you with very, very high accuracy when it's going to turn. How would you identify the turning point? All of that we're open to discuss. So I'm looking forward to see you there. I'm looking forward to you sharing this video with 10 people, and you ask those 10 people to share it with 10 more people. That's 100, and they share it with 10 more people. That's 1,000. The capacity of the room that we'll be using, it's a Zoom room. It's only 500. So you register, get your friends registered, come over there, and let's have a full room. And let's discuss trading. It all will be recorded. If the room is full, good for you. We'll go live on YouTube. If the room is not full, we'll do it within the Zoom room only. So come over. There are thousands of crypto traders, and I think you know them all. If you're watching this video, you know about 100 crypto traders. So every one of you watching it knows about 100 crypto traders, and that means we could have a pack room to discuss cryptos. Let's open for a wide discussion and understand whether this is going to collapse or whether it's going to go back up. What you should look for in the chart or what you should not pay attention to. I think it's going to be interesting. So join me and see all of you there tomorrow. Right? a reminder again, the link is in there. If you see this video before my last session or that we're going to have today on the live trading room, it's at New York time, 8 a.m. New York time. You may be able to join us in that live session. The link for that one is in any of my previous 3 videos that is there. You can go on YouTube, find those 3 videos. In the description, the link is there to join us. We're going to put out this video in about an hour from now, which means you might be able to see this video before that happens. You can join us live there, and then you will be able to join us tomorrow in the crypto sessions. Take care, trade with care, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.